Good morning to all the dynamic leaders from all the world. Very warm welcome to all of you to Taras presentation. Taras is a very big platform to earn very good income. It's a best opportunity in these lockdown days all over the world. Taras is the best opportunity to start with. It's a millionaire opportunity. It's a opportunity to become a millionaire for everyone who wants to be millionaire. Means who wants to be billionaire must work in Tyrus. They will be definitely be a millionaire either in 2021 or max it by 2022. They will be definitely millionaire. For that they have to work, they have to build their team, they have to work together, they have to support their teams. So Tyrus is a best always and everywhere. Always it will work for lifetime. Everywhere means it's available in the whole world. Anyone can join anywhere in the world at their home because it's based on cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency is available across the globe. So anyone wants to be a millionaire must join Tyrus through the cryptocurrency and can withdraw their earning also in cryptocurrency. After that, they can exchange in their local currency through the local exchanges available in everywhere in the world in the countries. Together, because we have to work as a team. Okay, friends, Taras is a new digital innovative ring based emblem opportunity. It's a very unique in its terms. These are the two partners who started this journey with the legal formality, with the license, and they started from Russia 26 December 2016. Published on 26 December 2016, company has also tie up with the great partners. In bottom it's mentioned the partners P2P Crypt, Zero Stock Exchange, it's also brand. Company is also working with Taras Wellness. Company has a partner with Konak Construction, is a world biggest construction company which is building very huge buildings throughout the world from their construction. Company has tied up with company like Tyrus. Similarly, Hayat Estate also a big construction company throughout the world and making a very big high buildings in the with the modern techniques through the construction works. That is also a business partner with Tyrus. Windstar Live, it's a WL token, it's a crypto token on gaming base, is also in partner with Tyrus. These are the two names who started this journey. Co-founder is Mr. Dennis Stratton, and founder of Taras is Andrew Zetsi. You can chat or these partner or these big leaders through vk.com or any social media platform like Instagram, Facebook. You can directly chat with these partners and you can check the view or way forward by the Taras for us. Taras is working almost near 16 projects across the world. Taras is investing in real estate in Moscow and Turkey. They have different real estate projects. We will discuss about Ringler Matrix marketing here today. Company also worked in multi-currency exchanges. Zero Stock, we shared the Taras Wellness, Taras Promotions, Casino on blockchain, lottery through blockchain, WN crypto I discussed, P2P crypto exchange I informed. Company also work in gold mining. Pace payment system Paystar is coming very soon, and dklab.com, gambling platforms. These are the various types of portfolios of company where company is investing and earning for us. So Paystar will coming very soon to all over the world. WNL partners are construction. Hayat Estate is working with Taras as a partner because Taras is working in real estate and Hayat and Konak Construction is working in real estate market since 1971, is also working for the construction work of high quality hotels and luxury apartments designed by Taras in their Taras portfolios. These are some meetings happened in during lockdown Russia when Taras Wellness has been launched by the company. This is a scheduled meeting for a launch of Taras Wellness range in Russia. We'll discuss about franchisee license, franchisee licensing opportunity worldwide. You can worldwide work with this opportunity and create your future. You can start with the easy. The name is license of first license is easy and its cost is just $10. Friends, only with $10 you can earn or you can enroll an opportunity in Taras for to create your future. The next license named as medium, it will start with 50. Third one is hard, it will start with 100. And fourth one is grand, it will start with 1000. Every partner who wants to work in Taras has to mandatory to buy easy license, because without enrolling yourself in easy you can't move to medium, hard or grand. I will discuss about the easy license. And medium, hard, grand are equivalent, and the income is 5 times, 10 times and 100 times than easy. So these are the ring names: easy, medium, hard, grand. The costs are comparatively is 10, 50, 100 and $1000. So friends, this is the portfolio, or this is the matrix, or you can see it, say it's a board, or you can say it a ring. It's a Ringular Matrix marketing program. 10 rings has 5 places in every ring. The business model is the name as business rings. Each of 10 rings has 5 places. Every ring has 5 places. Whichever of the 3 startup positions you choose, you occupy your place in the core of the ring. Means when you enroll yourself, you will place at number 1 position, or in the center of the ring, or at the core of the ring. Closing every 2 of the rings. Every 2 of the rings the same ways implies 2 steps. Every 2 steps your earning is there. Every 2 steps your earning is. How? I'll show in next slide. These positions how can be filled? When you enroll yourself at number 1 position, these 4 position has to be filled. Who are coming to fill this position? Let's move next slide. These things can be filled by personal registration. Means whenever you direct sponsor from your referral link, they can become in your ring and place or fill up the ring position. Second option is there, help from cross line. Means when you start the working with someone with referral link and your sponsor is working very fast, then you can also go the spill from or from the cross line in your rings. Help from above means you will get spills from the upline also. Help from below definitely, because whenever you enroll new direct partners with your referral link, they will also work in Taras like you. So these are 4 options available where the positions can be filled. To earn in Taras, the best part or the minimum guarantee you have to work to earn here, it's better to do power of 2. Means everyone has to invite minimum or activate minimum 2 active partners in your direct referral link, and those partners are also duplicate your idea of power of 2. Means every partner coming in this opportunity has to do minimum 2. Either he can do maximum referrals, minimum 2 is mandatory to survive or to earn a good income in Taras. It's 2 is mandatory active partners. 2 active partners. This doesn't mean that you can use or you can invest your personal ID and complete your 1 and 2 direct. You can survive. Sorry friends. 2 active partners means the partners who can duplicate the power of 2. It's until till or unlimited depth. So the power of 2 will give you power of earning, will give you power of creating future, will give power to generate your wealth also. So these are the business model of Easy Ring. I told you that every license has 10 rings. So this is the easy license. These are 10 rings. For every 2 steps, your ring will move. So there is a slash between 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. No one can jump to ring 9 or 10 or 7 or 6. Everyone has to come to ring 1. Means he has to pay only $10 and he can start work with Taurus. So this slash shows how you can earn and how you can move forward. Let's move next slide. So this is a ring when you activate yourself. YSU, you are activated your ring, and now when you invite or referred partner, any direct refer partner, that will be placed at number 1 position, number A or number 1, either it's Amit or either it's Andrew. When you invite partner A, he will be placed at number 1 position. When you invite second partner, he will be placed at number 2 position of yours. Now, because they also worked, they activated their ring, so their ring also been activated like yours. Now when C comes in your team, that person has been invited by A. That person also shows in C as C number 1 position of A. That person will vice versa show in your ring also at number 3 position. This is the power of 2 implies here. You have to invite 2 people and other 2 people will complete your ring. Now similarly, like when D partner invited by B, he will be placed at number 1 position of B. Similarly, that will also place at number 4 position of yours. And this way your ring has completed and your first income has been generated in Taurus as $30. You invest $10. You invited 2 partners. They pays 10. Those partners invited their first partner, and your ring has been completed and your ID moved to ring 2. How your ID will ring move to? Company has a chance to give you $30, but company wants that you should earn for the long term. So company has placed an automated system here. The earning of $30 automatically will be paid by the company or will be debited from your account, and your ring 2 will be activated with the cost of $30. Means your earning of rupees ring 1 has been invested in ring 2 for the cost of ring 2. Now these are the 4 partners in your earlier ring and these are their rings. This is the last position. Now how your ring 2 can be fulfilled? Now because A and B invited by you, when A invited his partner F, he will place at number 2 position of A. Because F invited by A, it has been shown in number 2 position of A. When C invited E, when C invited his first partner E, that ID will also shows in number A ring. This is the cross line spill over there. E is showing in the 2 rings here. Friends, just look at this. This is the very unique opportunity where cross line is working. Here C is the cross line or downline of A, but A is getting the benefit of E like you got the benefit of C in your A ring 1. I hope you got understand. Likewise, when you got the C in your ring as number 2 position, similarly when A at number 1 position is C, or C invited his first partner, that will show in number 1 position, number 3 position of A at number 1 position of C. Similarly, When A complete his ring and by inviting G, or F invited G, anyone can invite the person. Your ring has to be fulfilled, your downline ring has to be fulfilled. On completion of ring 1 of A, he will be moved to ring 2 like you. He will also earn, he will pay ring 2 cost automatically by the system, and he will be shown in your ring 2 and fill your number 1 position in ring 2. Similarly, when B invited I, or H inverted by D. Here H is also showing in two forms here. Look at this. It's also showing at number 3 position of B at number 1 position of D. So when B complete, he will also come to your ring 2 and with the earning of $30. Likewise, A and B, C will also complete his ring by inviting partner, because everyone has to work. I told you earlier, this is not an investment opportunity. Everyone has to work here, and everyone has to pay only $10 to start up the program. When C will complete, he will come at number 3 position in ring 2, and when D will complete, he will also come at number 4 position of ring 2, and here your earnings will be $90. Again, it's a 3 time of the value of ring 2. Value of ring 2 is, or cost of ring 2 is 30, and your earning will be $90. Now, how company has systemated your passive income here? Here now your passive income cycle has been started. What is that in passive income? Out of $90, $10 will be reinvest again for your ring 1 cost automatically by the company. It's a systematic process. Your re-entry has been again recreated by the system with the cost of $10, and that will be deducted from the earning of $90. And with the cost of $50, your ID will be upgraded to ring 3 also, and you will be left with the earning of 30. 90 minus 10 or minus 50, 90 minus or less 10 or less 50, your net withdrawal will be $30. Here is your first withdrawal from Tyrus. Congratulations, sir. This is a journey. It's a maybe you think it's a slow start. Maybe you think it's a very low income, but in other slides you will see how will the income is grabbing here, how much you can earn here. This is just a start, friends. This is just a start. You have to just focus what you are doing here, what you have to do. Just focus and understand the beauty of the plan. This is not only $30. This is a very, very big passive income platform generated by the company for you and for your generations also. This is a lifetime business opportunity. Do not take it lightly. It's a very, very big platform to earn long term, long life earning from Tyrus. Now, these are some principles. I'm reading it out, just listen carefully. In ring 2, only those partners will come who complete their ring 1. I told you earlier, there is no option that you can buy ring 2 directly from the company by paying $30, or you cannot pay $50 to the company to grab ring 3. Every partner will move further will only when he complete his ring with the joining or with the team of the partners. Even in next ring, the ID will move further only if that ring got filled by the team efforts. Means it's been the team efforts. Any partner who will complete his ring will always follow his sponsor. Very good point here. If you got any spill from the upline or downline or sideline or from cross line, whenever you got the spill in your ring, it's a bonus for you. But that bonus is not go with your lifetime, because when that bonus ID will complete his ring, either it is in ring 2 or ring 3 or ring 4 or ring 5 and ring, he will or she will, it will follow his sponsor ring. So always work to build your team to success higher. No one can buy next ring, I told you. Every partner is equal here. Either he or she is rich, they have to go with the process. Means with the money you cannot buy next matrix or next ring here. So friend, this is not an investment plan. So you can work here only with one ID or your family ID one or two. Please do not invest like 15 IDs, 16 IDs. This is not an investment plan. This is a pure and pure generation plan. You have to generate the team. You have make the team to success here. So friends, this is a little animation. I'll show you how you earning. In earlier slide animation, this slide I told you about the passive earning here. Now, when you complete ring 1, your ID will move to ring 2 with the cost of $30. And when your ring 2 completed here, your two rings will be open, ring 350 and reinvest ring 10. So friends, on completion of every even ring, your two rings will be open, one upward and one backward. When you complete ring 2, your ring 3 will open and ring 1 will open for the first time. I am clearing this thing. When you complete ring 2 for the first time, only first time your ID will open two rings. After that, your ID will open only one ring. How? Let's see. Now the persons or the leaders, when complete their ring 2, they will follow you in ring 3 and they will also come and reinvest 1. So friends, look at this chart. Your ring 1 income is 30, your auto buy ring 2 has been happened and your withdrawal is nil. With the ring 2, your earning will be $90 and here auto buy will be ring 3 or with 50 and ring 1 with $10 and your withdrawal will be 30. With the reinvest ring of 30, ring 1, your again income will come $30 and your ID will move to ring 2 again. And with the reinvest ring 2, friend, look at my circle. With the reinvest ring 2, your income will be $90. Now this time only ring 1 cost of $10 will be deducted, and your life cycle will continues here and you will be earning a lot. There are some leaders in the team who have completed 28 times ring 2 and they earned 27 times 80 and first time 30. Your earning is first time 30 and next time to unlimited rounds your earning will be 80. It's up to you how much you want to earn, how much you build your team, how much you support your team. It's up to you. It's your will. It's your business. Do not take it's a easy. It's a very easy, sir. It's a very easy platform. You just enroll people with the $10 and you see you will be getting 80 again and again. This is the beauty of the program. There your passive income will start. Now I'll show the ring 3 and 4. Just seen here ring 1 and 2. Now ring 3 and 4 here. When you complete ring 2 for the first time, your ID will be auto upgraded in ring 3 with the cost of $50. And this is your ring. When the partners from ring 2 will complete their ring 2 and they will also come in ring 3 of yours and your ring 3 will be completed, your ring 4 will be auto buy with the cost of $150. Means your earning from ring 3 will be 150. With the complete 150, your ring 4 will be auto buy by the system. Now the leaders from ring 3 will also work like you and want to earn. They will also come complete their ring 3 and they will come and follow you in ring 4. Here your earning will be, friends, $450. 3 times $450. Now for a first time, because you are completing ring 4 for a first time, even ring for a first time, this time your ring file will be auto by the system, which costs you $300. Here passive income starts. Now, likewise, from ring 2, your reinvestment in ring 1 happened. Now, when you complete ring 4 a first time, your reinvestment in ring 3 will be auto created by the system with the cost of $50. And your friends, your net withdrawal will be here $100. Means ring 3, you're earning in $150, and on ring 4, $150, your withdrawal is nil, and on completion of ring 4, your auto buy ring 3 with $50 and auto buy ring 5 will be 300 will be done by the system, and your net withdrawal will be $100. Now friends, likewise the people will complete ring 4 in your ring, they will follow again you, and they will also come in ring 5, and they will also come in ring 3, and here ring 3 will be again filled by the partners, and your ID will again move to ring 4. Now this time when you complete ring 4 again, this cycle which continues move on. This time your ring 5 cost of $300 will not be deducted, and your earning will be here $400 again and again. This is the beauty of the program, this is the beauty of the system, this is the passive income platform. You will be earning $400 again and again by the system cycle. So friend, this is the total 10 rings view. I discussed about first, second, third, fourth. Now I'll discussing about fifth and sixth. When you complete ring the 4 for the first time, your ID will come in ring 5. Similarly, likewise the system in 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, your 5 and 6 will be completed. First time when you complete ring 6, your earning will be $900. Total earning is 27, and first time you can withdraw 900. But with the passive income cycle, when you complete ring 6 for the first time, your ID will move to ring 7 with the $1,500 cost, and re-entry will happen in ring 5, and your withdrawal will be $900 for the first time. But next time you will be earning, or you will be getting, or you will be drawing $2,400 again and again. Friends, you have started with only $10. Just make in your mind, this is only $10 you paid from your pocket. You have not paid. I will not show you that you have to pay again from your pocket. This is auto system planned by the company. It's a presentation by the company. It's a business model where you can earn passive income here. Now with the coming in 7 and 8 ring, when you complete 8 ring for the first time, your ID will move to ring 9, and here your passive income from ring 7 and 8 will work here. Your re-entry will come in 7 again, and next time your earning from ring 8, first time it's $3,000, and next time it will be $12,000 again and again. It's up to you, either you want to earn in a month or in a 15 days, either if you want to in 3 months, year. It's up to you how much you are working with your team, how much you are attending Zoom session, how much you are getting trained, how much you are getting in build yourself in the system. So friends, this is the last moment here, 9 and 10. Friends, this is only $10 easy license value I told you. Now from the $9 cost, ninth ring, 9,000 cost, your ID will move to ring 10, and ring 10 cost is $27,000. From these $27,000, your completion of ring 10 you earned will be $81,000. And here passive income will again start from 9 and 10. On completion of ring 10, your reinvestment will be happen in ring 9 again, and your net withdrawal will be $72,000 again and again. Friends, just work up to ring 10 or ring 6 or ring 8, because there is no way after ring 10. So whosoever will be completing ring 10, his re-entry will come in ring 9, and maybe that will come in your ring also, because there is not a forward step, there is always a behind step here. And on reaching ring 10, worldwide people will complete 9 and 10 very fast, because they have to move in ring 9 and 10 only. Just think, they have to move in ring 9 and 10 only. So in ring 9 and 10, if there is no ring 11, how much you and how much times your ring can be cycled here. But for that, you have to start and build your team and step yourself up to ring 10. So friend, I told you about $10 easy ring. This is the model of medium ring. Just look at this. With the cost of $50 from ring 2, your first time withdrawal will be 150 and 400. Friend, this is purely and purely non-working here, because in medium, hard and grand, you have not to be invite new people. The partners who have already activated their ring 10, when they will activate their ring medium ring, they will definitely follow their sponsor and will come in your rings. So this will work as easy but totally non-working, because no one will come directly in medium ring. So here, income in medium ring is 5 times than easy, in hard it's 10 times than easy, and in grand it's 100 times than easy. Look at the earnings, friends. In 10 ring of easy, you will be getting $72,000 again and again. In 10th ring of medium, you will be getting $360,000 again and again. In hard ring of 10, you will be getting $720,000 again and again. And in grand completion of 10 ring, you will be getting $72 lakhs again and again. And also the earnings from ring 2, ring 4, ring 6, ring 8, in all the license, all the rings again and again. Look at the portfolio you can get here with the start of only $10. With the start of only $10, there is no any condition that you have to upgrade to 50 is mandatory. It's up to you. And you see that your team is working good, you should be go for medium. And with the movement in ring medium, you should also go for hard and then grand. It's a step-by-step journey, friends. Just build your team in easy ring. Others are very simple to work. Thank you. So friends, this is a simple chart. Let's discuss about the linear premiums. This is the 5-level bonus, or 5 levels you can get a level or referral income up to 5 levels. From easy ring, you will be getting 3.2 to 11% from first 5 levels of your team. For medium upgradation, you will be getting 5.3 to 11. For $100 upgradation, you will be getting 7.32 to 1 from your 5 levels. And for grand, it will be 7.32 to 1% again and again. So these are the carry rewards. When you complete ring 6 for the first time in easy, you will be given status as tractor, and your reward will be $100. On completion of 8th ring, you will get an status as regional director and Apple iPhone. On completion of 10th ring of easy, your status as international director with world tour for 1. For these offer, you have to activate grand. I am not suggesting that you should activate grand now. Whenever you are reaching to 8 or 9 ring, then you can think and you can activate grand, and your rewards will be credited to you immediately. So these are the medium rewards. 6th ring completion, you will get diamond ring, gold diamond ring, Apple MacBook on completion of 8th ring, and Ferrari car on completion of 10th ring of medium license. Hard ring rewards are gold bracelet, On completion of 6th ring, on completion of 8th ring, gold watch, and on completion of 10th ring, a beautiful apartment in Spain or Turkey with the modern amenities or designed by or construction by world biggest construction companies like Hayat or Kona Construction. These are rewards in Grand. When you complete ring 4 in Grand, you will be getting a travel for 2 for 10 days. Sixth ring car Mercedes, apartment again, additional apartment in Grand on completion of 8th, and beautiful house on the beach on completion of 10th ring for a first time. Friends, these are very big rewards. With the cash, you are getting all the necessary items or your necessary needs or your dreams can fulfill definitely here. There is another project on the name Fast Money. This Fast Money project started with 25. You can club with $10 also. You can start working if you want earning in fast way or you want fast money. You can also work with the combination of $10 and fast money $25. With this, on when you complete easy $10 license ring 1, similarly you will complete with the same team, the same partners, you will complete fast 25 ring and your ID will move to fast 75. Now, on completion of fast 75, there is no movement happening in next fast metrics like in easy from ring 2 to ring 3. There is no transition happen here in 75. So here your earning from fast 75 will be $225 and your reinvestment will happen in fast 25, likewise in ring 1 from ring 2, and your net withdrawal will be $200. So friends, I must say that you should start also working with fast 75 or 25. These are the 4 metrics, 3, 4, 5 metrics are individual metrics of fast money. So friends, likewise from 2 to 3 movement in easy, there is no movement from fast 75 to fast 150. This is up to you. If you want to earn from fast 150, you have to pay 150 for a first time, and every time on the completion of fast 150, you will be getting withdrawal of 300 and your reinvestment will again happen in same metrics of fast 150. Means your earning will be 450 and deduction will be 150 and your net withdrawal will be 300 again and again. Likewise, 600 also, 300, 600, 1200. You will be getting again and again. From 300 fast 300, you will be getting $600 again and again. From fast 600, you will be getting $1,200 again and again. You have to pay for one time, once, and you will be getting again for life, again and again for lifetime. So this is a metric income. There is other metrics are there. Likewise, this is the metrics in of fast money. I'm showing you example. When you activate fast 150, when 4 partners from your team upgrade themselves with 150, your 150 will be completed and your earning will be $450, and with from $450 your reinvestment in 150 will happen again and your earning will be net withdrawal will be $300. So friends, let's move to next slide. As I told you that you can start earning with the 10 or 25 combo of plan, or you can earn $200, $225 again and again from easy and fast money license. Here you will be getting $280 again and again if you built on this formula 10 plus 25, because same people, same force, but the cost you have increased from 10 to 35, your earning will be $230 for a first time and again $280. After that, you can think about that you should work in medium or you should upgrade with 50. You can upgrade to 100 hard also, or you can upgrade to fast money 150 as per your wish. So friend, this is the registration step in Tyrus, how you can registration. This is the sign up page. Here it is showing invited you. Please ensure Andrew Zetsu not coming here. You should stick to the referral link given by your upline to you. His name or her name should be mentioned here. After that, you have to submit the page. Otherwise, paste the referral in link again in the Chrome bar and enter it for sign up. Update your contact number or mobile number with country code. Email friends should be right. There is no goof up should be in the email. Email should be correct. Create your username like in small letters. Any username, alphanumeric or only alpha, up to you. Password, you have to create in alphanumeric mode or one letter should be in capital letter. PIN code is very important. It's a transition password of 5-digit PIN that would be required for the withdrawal from Tyrus. You should write on some paper or some diary where you have written banking password. PIN code should be with you because it's required when you required and withdrawn. So friends, there are two options to activate in Tyrus. After registration, you have to log in with email and password. While opening the site, you have to update your email on the dialog box given in the site and submit or save, and verify your email from the link you got on your email. After that, you have to upload your avatar in your profile settings. You have to upload any photo for the ring movement, update your name, then go to menu options like license. This is the back office. I'll show you. Scroll down for a terms and condition. This is the process, and there are two options to activate the license. First one is Perfect Money. Second one is Bitcoin. Check your option, which available option with you, and choose a method to pay. If you are paying through Bitcoin, just wait for 20 seconds or 20 minutes. The timer is there. After paying from Bitcoin wallet or blockchain wallet, you have to wait for 20 minutes for activation of ID. So friends, this is the last slide, payment system. I show you earning. Now how you can withdraw. Company will be giving all withdrawals instantly. Friends, it's instantly, immediately in Perfect Money wallet and without any deduction. Whatever you earn, you will be get 100% in your Perfect Money wallet. In the middle lady, Miss Olga, she's the first lady who reached to ring 10 in the entire world. Hats off the lady, hats off the work done by her. She is the first lady who claimed to ring 10 in the world. So you can also claim to that ring. Just follow the education process, just follow the system, and thank you very much. Tyrus is 100% genuine, sir. Thanks for watching.